So we're gonna go over price action of what we want to see for this week. Today is Sunday, November 2nd. We're coming into a new week, and I want to see what price can give us. So first, got the got a whole checklist of what we want to see. So we're gonna start with our news. We got Monday news, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we got news all week. Thankfully, damn, we have some type of news on Monday. We had no news Monday for a good minute. I won't lie. By a good minute, I mean like 2, 3 weeks, if I'm sure. But we'll just start from the hourly and look at it from there. ES will bring over, so we can look at it from both ends. So looking at price, or what I see, we have a market structure shift to the downside on the hourly. We pulled back to at in this gold area is really where I want to see like price always pull back to. The main entry is 7.9, but between 7.05 and 7.9, that's like that gold area. But what I would want to see is I would like to see price. We just formed an internal 15-minute bearish SMT. So, and what I'm saying may not happen, but I'm just going off what I learned. So I would like to see price pull back, fill in this gap, and apply some pressure to this exact area, this 7.9 sitting right here. I would like to see price tap into it. We have an hourly gap that wasn't filled. We also have this 4 hour rejection box sitting up here. Internal highs, but I think these are protected highs because we have all this low risk and liquidity, and we've been rejecting off of a certain area. So I don't think we're gonna get anything above this high. So even if we do break above this hourly gap, I think that this EQ of this 4 hour rejection block would play out even better. But for now, this gold zone is what I would like to see price pull back into. And then I would like to see price just, oh shit, hold on. So price pulls back, taps into this new weekly opening gap, taps into this gold zone, and shows us bearish confluences for hoping to take in the downside. And even when we do take out, I would like to see us at least pull back into something where I can take at least 100 to, okay, my bad. Wow. Okay, so that's okay. So the contracts are moving this week. If I can take it down to the internal low, that would be nice. Because 800 ticks, I won't lie, 800 ticks is a lot. How much is that? Damn. Okay. Past evals this week. That's the plan. Past the evals this week. So price, what I would like to see, right? Price come in, tap into this new weekly opening gap. If you don't see where they are, here we are. We have this new weekly opening gap. Tap into it and show us bullish confluences. Let's say on the lower time frame, maybe the 15-minute or the 5 minute, we show bullish. That's fine because we're still bearish on the hourly. So candle closure is really an important thing as well. So I would like to see us at least close into this gold zone, tap into this hourly right here at 7.9, show us some bearish rejections out of the zone, and then take shorts down to these lows. As much as this is a higher time frame SMT on the hourly, I still see that the sell side will be the most optimal place to take a trade. Like take a trade too. Like this is my draw liquidity. This 4 hour that has been tapped into twice is my draw because if it taps into it twice, and look, first time was strong, second time was weaker. If we pull back into this, at least retest this area because we also tried to form this hourly right here and we never tapped into it. Like I care for more about candle closure. Wicks matter too, but at the same time for me, candle closure is kind of important now for me. So if we pull back into it, tap to 7.9 and show us bearish movement, like strong bearish movement on the 15 or the 5 minute to the downside, I'll take it down to this low or even last week's new opening gap. And for ES, the same thing that shows we have this bearish gap, this bullish 4 hour, and we already filled into last week's no, oh, really? Did we? Okay, we didn't fully fill in through it, but we tapped that like CE of it, the 50% point of that new weekly opening gap. But still, we still have a 4 hour sitting down here that's been unfilled. It's a bullish one that's been unfilled. So even if think about it here, even if on the 4 hour or throughout this week we want to be bullish, before you go up, you got to go down. So that's why I'm saying in the overnight session, I would like to see us pull back into a higher zone on the hourly or even on the 15 minute, and then show bearish on the 5 minute, take it down to the downside. And that would be what I would want to see. Based off of news, that's what I would want to see. And I don't see nothing wrong with catching that. So honestly, I'm going to let me see. I'm gonna oh shoot. You know what? Let me do this. I want to take a picture for the Notion, and I wanted to put that out there. I just created a I been had created it, but I was working on it in the beginning of this year, working on a Notion that helps with traders and staying disciplined with your setups and like staying disciplined with what you want to see. So we're gonna work on that. See menu, weekly bias planner. This week we got the second. I wasn't really disciplined with it at first, but now I really am. I want to see us be bearish. We can actually for this whole week, I would see us be bullish, but for the next for like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I want to see a bearish movement down to that 4 hour gap. I'm gonna bring this, and then here's what I'll do to make it easier for me, so I'm not messing myself up when I type into it. Oh man. One, two, three. Oh, hold on. Let me mute myself too. But actually, you know what? Let me not even do all that. I'm gonna type this in to my Notion, so it'll be easier for me to keep track. And when I type it into my Notion, it'll pop up here. So you know when you like go into your week and you want to see certain things and you don't want to mess up what you have planned for like the market in the day, this is where you would go. So now that you have it here, you can type it in. It'll show up here. Trades show up here. Tasks that you put in the weekly in your weekly planner show up here. You have your goals, your trading plan, and different trading accounts. Right now, this account is so bad. The win rate is zero. The PNL, it's okay, but you feel me? Win some, lose some. It is what it is. But on that note, we're gonna end it off because that was really all I wanted to show. But yeah. So coming into tomorrow, we'll start the stream on like I think we're gonna start at like 9. I don't know. We'll see. But we're gonna keep it in tune. Keep it in tune for this week. We're gonna try and get some banger trades to show.